This is just a short video to show you how to make an easy personal note-taking system on your computer with no special programs or anything that you have to buy, and it'll help you out because you never have to search for paper and pencil again. If you have your computer handy, you can always have your notes in order and easily findable. No random scraps of paper to search through for your important notes. The first thing you need to do is open up your favorite text editor. You can use Notepad or any other one that you like. I happen to like Notepad Lite, and it's very handy. And I've got all the instructions here that I'll put up at the end of the video. What you do is you open a new file, either with the little icon depending on what your editor uses, or you can click the File menu and click New. Once you have your new file open, I'll show you a handy little trick that you can use when you've got the Notepad working. If you hit the F5 button, it will insert the date and the time right at the point where your cursor was, so that will come in really handy to date any notes that you need to jot down. Okay, so once we have our new file, what we need to do is save it where we can find it and where we know it will be stored, so you can always go there and look at it from its location in the folder. You can put it in a place where you back up your data, so that's always backed up. So what we're going to do is click File and then Save As, and I would like to save it in my documents. So for that, on this particular version of Windows, I click into my user account here and then click Documents, double click, and then down in the file name place I'm going to name this My Neat Notes. And then click Save. Okay, so that's where it's stored, myneatnotes.txt, and it's in my Documents folder. So now I need to find the actual file. So I'm going to click on my computer, which you either find an icon for on your desktop or in your Start menu. And here's my local hard drive. I'm going to double click that. I'm going to click, in this case I have a Vista computer I'm using right now. I click my username and then click on Documents, and let's look for My Neat Notes. There it is, myneatnotes.txt. Right click on it, and that brings up your right click menu. You want to look for the choice that says Create Shortcut and click on that. Now you will see up, because I have these arranged in date order, it showed right up at the top, myneatnotes.txt-shortcut. If these were organized in a more typical way by the name alphabetically, there is where it is, myneatnotes.txt, and right next to it after it is myneatnotes.txt-shortcut. Now all we want to do here is take this shortcut, we'll click on it, and hold it with the mouse and drag it down to the quick launch area. Of your taskbar. Okay, and now you see the little, that's the icon for the Note tab Lite program that I used for the text. And it's right down there. And now we'll show how that works out to use it. Okay, so I go to my computer and because I need to make a note of some important item, an appointment or whatever, just go to that little icon and it brings up my neat notes.txt without having to separately open the program or go find the program and so on, or go find the notes. And the time has changed a bit since I made that. So what I'll do is I'll hit the F5 function key. There's the date and time, and I'll put remember to save my neat notes after I add to them. And that's all. You can click the little computer disk icon, or you can click File, Save. And you don't want to say Save As or anything like that. You're not changing the name of this. So anytime you want to add another note, you can just add it in at the top. Like I'll close this right now. And I'll open it again. It pops right up. I'll put it where you can see it. Okay, now my new note will go in, and I'll hit the F5 key. And this is my new note. Okay, and then I'll click Save. And I can close that up if I want, because it's very easy to access. Now, I'll bring this up again, and I'll put the screen with all the directions of this little handy tip, and you can see those. And also, if you want to see more handy computer tips, you could go to, and I'll type this in here, http computers.madesimpler.com. And there you have it. Thanks for watching.